What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Ford remote head key fob. So this Ford remote key fob is the 3-button version. As you can see, yours may also have the remote start button on it, but it'll be the same battery change procedure either way. And this remote head key is going to use replacement battery CR2032. I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can purchase these batteries if you're in need. I'm going to be using a quarter to open the remote head case. If you don't have a quarter handy, you can also use a flathead screwdriver. So if we grab our key and we take a look down near the key ring off to the side, we see this notch right here that I'm putting the quarter in. What I'm going to do is hold my key fob. I'm going to put the quarter all the way in that notch, or if you're using a flathead screwdriver, put the blade of the screwdriver all the way in that notch. Make sure it's all the way in there, and then I'm just going to twist it. And as I do that, it pops the back of the shell off like you can see there. Go ahead and pull the back off, and then we can see our battery right here. And you can kind of get your finger under the edge of that. Get it out of there. Now we'll grab our new battery, and you want to make sure that you're installing that with the plus side up. And what I'm going to do is kind of tuck this edge in first like that, and then just push it in there. And then I'll snap the back cover on, and there's this little rubber piece in the back that sometimes moves around. So make sure you have that kind of where it needs to be, situated in the back of the case. It fits in there like that. And then go ahead and snap the back on. And that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.